Hey there, it's Phoebe. Today I've got a new keyboard to unbox for you. This is the Mr. Suit TKL from Owlab. This one is from the second round of 3 in-stock drops. As always, they send it in a cute box packaged together with the extras that I've scooped up as well. Here you can see that I have 2 hot swap PCBs, 1 palm plate, and 1 FR4 plate. Altogether with shipping, this totaled up to about $570 retail. It also comes with a set of their Owlab stabilizers as a free gift. Apparently not every shipment gets them, but I've received them in both suit rounds that I participated in. I will say that the packaging on round 2 for the stabilizers is a lot nicer, and you'll be able to buy them separately for other boards real soon. The variant I picked up this time is the Winkeyless Baby Powder Blue. The weight has the same treatment as the Jelly SSE, and overall it's a very striking board. I really like how the blue is presented here rather than on the SSE. On the other hand, Baby Powder is not as bright of a white as I would have expected it to be based on the renders. When the board is by itself, you honestly can't really tell, but once you start putting white keycaps on it or placing it next to other light colored objects, you'll be able to see the greenish tint that Baby Powder has. Now, it's not as extreme as the Jelly Epoch Dewdrop color, but it does feel like it's part of the same family. I'm not sure why Owlab keeps picking this specific shade of white or the specific tint for their whiteboards, but just something to be careful, especially if you are matching 2 GMK keycap sets. I'd personally stay away from anything using WS2, but you could easily stick to WS1 or CP, and you should be fine. Overall, I am a fan of Owlab and the boards that I've picked up from them. This one is no exception. At retail, they're a great pickup if you like the PE foam sound and want to upgrade into something a bit more premium than your normal in-stock options. As for this suit, I'm ultimately going to be building it for a friend as his first custom, so it won't be staying with me. However, the weight is really pretty, and that almost makes me want to change my mind. That's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching. See you next time.